I believe together we can make a bigger difference than we ever will alone.
Economic growth of this magnitude is only achieved through collaboration.
My name is Herb Dew, and I'm the CEO of Human Technologies. We're a staffing company based here in South Carolina, specifically here in the Upstate, and we help companies secure the people that they need to be successful doing what they do. Our customers are primarily manufacturing companies here in the Upstate. We started in automotive, which is the foundation, I think, of what our growth has been recently here in the Upstate, although the growth of other manufacturing facilities in other sectors has been exciting, so we've grown into those sectors as well. Here in the Upstate, we used to be a textile industry, and over the last 20 years, we've transitioned to being a high technology industry. Automotive, medical, several different industries, aerospace, and that requires a higher skill level. So what that means is it requires from a recruiting company like ourselves to have a really close relationship with the tech schools, but also know the changing technology needed by the manufacturing company so that we're identifying people early and making sure that they get through a process and through training in order to be qualified to go to work for our customers. I think together we in the Upstate grow and we innovate and we just create really a community that's just exceptional.